Good morning, children. Come to this class. Today we shall learn something about word. We should see definition. A meaningful group of letters is called word. A meaningful group of letters is called word. Group means two or more than two. Here you should see there are two groups of letters, BOY, XOY. BOY has a meaning, XOY has no meaning. It means BOY is a word, but XOY is not a word. Only that group of letters will called word that is meaningful. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and all the words are made from these 26 letters. Now we should come to its parts. Words are divided into 8 parts. These are called parts of speech. Words are divided into 8 parts, and these all are called parts of speech. And these are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. One by one we will know about this noun, naming word. Naming word is called noun. You can see example, Ram, Sita. You can give more and more example of noun. Pronoun, used for noun. The word which is used for noun is called pronoun. Actually we use pronoun, so there is no need of repeating noun again and again. So the word used for noun is called pronoun. Like I, we, he, she. These are pronouns. Adjective, qualifying word is called adjective. Actually it shows the quality of noun or pronoun. The word which shows quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective. Example, good, bad, small, tall, big, young, etc. Verb, action word. Action word is called verb. It means what we do or what is done by us, that is called action. And action word is called verb. Like come, go, play, run, read, write, sleep, laugh, weep. These all are action words and these are verbs. Adverb, modifying word. Adverb is a modifying word. It modifies the meaning of any verb, an adjective or an adverb. It means adverb modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. You can see its example, very and fast. Sometimes you use fastly word. Actually fastly is not a word. You should never use fastly. Fast is a word and that is adverb. Preposition shows relationship. Preposition is a word that shows relationship of noun or pronoun with something else. Preposition is made of two words, pre and position. Pre means before, position means place. It means it is placed before noun or pronoun to show its position. So preposition also shows the position of noun or pronoun. It also shows the relationship of noun with something else. Its example is on, in, at, to, for, from, with, etc. Conjunction, joining words. Joining words are called conjunction. It joins two words, two clauses or two sentences. So those words which are used to join, those are called conjunction. And, or, but are the examples of it. Other examples are so, because, there, etc. And interjection. Interjection it shows feeling or emotion. Interjection shows our strong feeling or emotion. Whatever you feel or whatever the emotion comes in you, and that is sudden feeling or sudden emotion, that is called interjection. Like oh, ah, alas, hurray, ha ha. We don't just think after that we say these words. These words come suddenly in our mouth, or we speak suddenly these words, and these are called conjunction. So today we have read about
Interjection.
these are called interjection, and today we have read about the parts of speech, or we can say words. Those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We shall read these all parts separately in other chapters. Thanks for today.